Electric cars aren't new, they were around in the early 1900s, but now, with better batteries, faster charging, and more awareness, they're making a real comeback. It's a blend of old ideas and new technology. The electric car revolution is here, and it's changing the way we move. Cities are adapting, new charging stations are popping up everywhere, and people are discovering just how fun and practical electric driving can be. It's about progress, and the future of driving looks more exciting than ever. Imagine a world where cars are quieter, cleaner, and smarter, where your daily drive is part of a bigger solution, and this time, it's here to stay. The buzz isn't just hype, it's the sound of a new era on the road. The first thing you notice in an EV? The silence. There's no engine rumble, no vibration, just a calm, peaceful ride that lets you actually hear your favorite music or enjoy a conversation. It's a small change, but it transforms every drive into a more relaxing experience. But the real benefits go way beyond that. Electric vehicles are changing the way we think about transportation, making it cleaner, smarter, and more connected to our daily lives. First, the environment. No exhaust pipe means zero tailpipe emissions. That's cleaner air for everyone, especially in crowded cities where pollution is a real problem. Every EV on the road helps cut down on smog and greenhouse gases, making our neighborhoods healthier and our skies clearer. Second, cost. While EVs can cost more up front, charging with electricity is much cheaper than petrol, and maintenance is a breeze. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, and less wear and tear mean fewer trips to the mechanic, and more money in your pocket over time. Over time you save a lot. Imagine skipping the gas station altogether and plugging in at home while you sleep. Plus, with electricity prices often more stable than fuel, budgeting for your commute gets easier. And third, the drive. Electric motors deliver instant power. There's no lag, no waiting for gears to shift or engines to catch up. Touch the accelerator and you get a smooth, strong surge. No waiting for the engine to rev. It's a feeling that never gets old, whether you're merging onto the highway or zipping through city streets. EVs are quick, fun, and perfect for city driving. Their quiet operation and nimble handling make them ideal for busy urban environments, and parking is often easier thanks to their compact designs. Cleaner air, lower costs, and a better drive. What's not to love? Plus, as more people switch to electric, cities become quieter and more pleasant places to live. These aren't just compromises for the environment. In many ways, EVs are simply better cars. With cutting-edge technology, smart features, and constant updates, they're leading the way into the future. The shift to electric is about making driving smarter, cleaner, and more enjoyable. It's about embracing innovation and making choices that benefit both you and your community. It's a win for your wallet, your city, and your daily commute. And with more charging stations popping up every day, going electric is easier than ever. The future of driving is already here. The only question is, are you ready to make the switch? Let's dig into that environmental benefit. Petrol and diesel cars burn fuel, pumping out carbon dioxide and other pollutants, bad for the climate and our health. Electric cars, no tailpipe, no emissions. Imagine city air without the haze and fumes. EVs can make that a reality. Some worry about where the electricity comes from, but the grid is getting cleaner every year with more renewables. Even now, centralized power stations are far more efficient and easier to clean up than millions of car engines. As we shift to more wind and solar, every EV gets greener. It's not an instant fix, but it's a huge step toward cleaner air and a healthier planet. The journey to zero emissions starts with every electric car on the road. Let's talk money. EVs can cost more upfront, but running them is much cheaper. Electricity costs less than petrol, especially if you charge at home overnight. For commuters, the savings add up fast. Hundreds or even thousands a year. Maintenance? EVs have far fewer moving parts. No oil, no exhaust, no clutch. Regenerative braking even helps your brakes last longer. Fewer trips to the garage, more money in your pocket. The simplicity of electric motors means more reliability and less hassle. Over the life of the car, the savings are real. With EVs, you keep more of your hard-earned cash. Now let's talk performance. Forget the myth that eco-friendly means boring. EVs are quick. The secret? Instant torque. In a petrol car, you wait for the engine to rev. In an EV, power is immediate. Touch the pedal and you're off. No delay, just smooth, silent acceleration. Everyday driving becomes easier and more fun, merging, overtaking, zipping through traffic. No gear changes, no drama, just a seamless surge of speed. It's a new kind of thrill, and it's addictive. Even family hatchbacks feel lively. EVs prove you don't have to sacrifice excitement for efficiency. The future of driving is fast, fun, and clean. Performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. With EVs, you really can have it all. I'm a car guy, so let's be real. EVs aren't perfect. Charging is the big hurdle, especially for those without a driveway. Public chargers can be hard to find, busy, or out of order. Range anxiety is real, though new models go further than ever. Charging still takes longer than filling up with petrol. And if everyone plugged in at once, the grid would struggle. We need smarter charging and a stronger grid. The challenges are real, but so is the progress. Charging is the #1 concern for most people. Petrol stations are everywhere and fast. Public EV charging isn't there yet. Home charging is great if you have a driveway, but millions rely on street parking. Public chargers are a patchwork. Different networks, apps, and sometimes long waits. We need a universal, simple system. Any car, any charger, one payment. Rapid chargers help, adding 100 miles in 20 minutes, but we need more of them, especially on motorways. Installing them is expensive and needs a strong grid connection. The UK needs a big push to make charging as easy as filling up. Until then, charging will be a sticking point for many. But with investment and innovation, it's a problem we can solve. The future depends on it. The battery is the heart of every EV, determining range and cost. Battery tech has improved fast, more range, lower prices, and better reliability, but there's still a trade-off between range, cost, and lifespan. Mining materials like lithium and cobalt raises environmental and ethical questions. The industry is working to use less rare material and improve recycling. Old EV batteries can get a second life as energy storage, then be recycled. The next big leap? Solid-state batteries. Lighter, safer, faster charging, and longer lasting. When they arrive, range and charging time could rival petrol cars. Battery breakthroughs are key to making EVs mainstream. The race is on. The shift to electric is a global effort. Governments are setting deadlines to end petrol car sales and offering incentives for EV buyers. Billions are being invested in charging infrastructure and new technology. Car makers are designing EVs from the ground up, more space, better handling, and greater efficiency. Every major brand is going electric, driving competition and innovation. The more EVs on the road, the faster the network grows. It's a feedback loop. More cars, more chargers, more choice. The change is happening faster than anyone expected. The electric future is arriving now. So, what's next? As we stand at the crossroads of innovation and sustainability, it's clear that the way we move is about to change forever. The future of driving is electric, quieter, cleaner, and more exciting. Electric vehicles are transforming our daily commutes, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable. Imagine cities with clean air and silent streets, where the hum of engines is replaced by the gentle whir of electric motors. Our neighborhoods will be healthier, and our communities more vibrant. Cars will charge smartly, even feeding power back to the grid. Our vehicles will become part of a connected energy ecosystem, helping balance supply and demand. Battery tech will mean longer range and faster charging. Soon, charging your car could be as quick and easy as grabbing a cup of coffee. The thrill of instant acceleration will be the new normal. Electric cars deliver power the moment you touch the pedal, making every drive exhilarating. Classics will still have their place, cherished for their history and character. But for daily driving, electricity is the answer. Efficient, reliable, and forward-thinking. This is about progress, using new tech to solve old problems. Engineers and innovators are working tirelessly to make electric vehicles smarter, safer, and more accessible for everyone. Electric cars keep the freedom of the open road, but with less impact on the planet. We can explore new places and create memories, all while protecting the environment. The road ahead is electric, and it's going to be a great ride. Every mile we travel brings us closer to a cleaner, brighter future. We're building a smarter, more sustainable world for the next generation. Our choices today will shape the world our children inherit tomorrow. The journey is just beginning. With every innovation, we move closer to a world where clean transportation is the norm, not the exception. And I, for one, can't wait to see where it leads. The future is electric, and it's full of promise.